As an annual facelift model, the new car continues the design style of the old model, while the configuration, power system, 3.0T plus 9 at 0-100 acceleration increased to 5 seconds. In addition, the new car also offers a new paint option compared to the old model. In terms of exterior design, it continues to use the large-size vertical waterfall front grille, geometric multi-beam adaptive full LED headlights and AMG night sports kit in the front. The body adopts fastback design, automatic anti-glare outside rearview mirror, with brand logo projection floor lamp, fixed foot pedal, dark heat-insulating privacy glass in the rear row. The rear end adopts left and right independent triangle design. The taillight group has AMG smoke spoiler on the trunk lid, AMG night sports kit on the rear frame plus 4 sports exhausts on both sides. Body dimensions: 4,944 by 2018 by 1,716 mm, wheelbase is 2,935 mm, and it is positioned as a medium and large coupe SUV. In terms of interior design, the center console area is equipped with Napa leather AMG high-performance steering wheel, electric adjustment/gear shift/memory support, 12.3-inch LCD instrument panel plus 12.3-inch LCD instrument panel. At the same time, the new car continues to use the electronic hand gear mechanism and retains the physical climate control buttons. It also offers an open panoramic roof window, built-in driving recorder, wireless mobile phone charging, 13-channel Berlin sound system, 64-color ambient light and interior rearview mirror. In terms of onboard computers, MBUX Intelligent Human-Computer Interaction System is equipped with real-time navigation, including MBUX mind-reading voice assistant function, supports smartphone connection system, CarPlay/Android Auto, in-car 4G network plus Wi-Fi hotspot, road rescue service, AMAP customized navigation, remote vehicle control, driver voice recognition control system, application store, etc. functions. In terms of assisted driving, it is equipped with adaptive cruise control ACC, lane centering LCC, traffic jam assistance system, traffic sign assistance system, intelligent driving assistance Pro, which supports automatic start. In traffic congestion and according to the situation, scene-based vehicle speed adjustment, vehicle exit safety warning function, 360 degrees panoramic view, intelligent parking with parking positioning system, Parktronic, etc. functions. As for the seats, the vehicle has a 5-person layout, and the seats are covered with Napa leather. In terms of seat functionality, it comes standard with electric adjustment of driver and passenger seats, front seat heating/ventilation/memory. In terms of power unit, it is equipped with 3.0 TL6 turbo and electric double supercharged engine plus 48V mild hybrid system, 9 transmission plus 4MATIC full-time 4-speed transmission. The wheel drive system, maximum power 320 kilowatts, 435 PS, maximum torque 560 Nm, 0 to 100 km per hour acceleration in 5 seconds, maximum speed 250 km per hour and WLTC comprehensive fuel consumption 10.34 L/100 km. It also comes with equipment such as AMG active drive control, AMG high-performance composite brake system, AMG high-performance exhaust system with variable sound level, air technology and suspension as standard.